Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Collect tools: a 10 mm socket with a 6-inch extension, a Phillips screwdriver, a trim panel tool, and a torque wrench set to 5-7 ft-pounds. Have a replacement tail light assembly or bulb ready. Park the Tundra on level ground, engage the parking brake, and lower the tailgate for unobstructed access. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any wiring. This prevents shorts and accidental airbag deployment signals. Wear gloves and keep small parts in a magnetic tray so nothing rolls away. Open the tailgate and remove the interior access panel to expose the two 10 mm nuts that secure the tail light assembly. Use the 6-inch extension for reach. Loosen and remove the two 10 mm nuts, and if present, remove the Phillips screw near the lower edge. Support the assembly with one hand, depress and release any plastic clip tabs, then pull the assembly outward evenly to free it from the body. Depress the electrical connector tab and pull the plug straight out to avoid bending pins. Position the replacement tail light assembly into the body opening, aligning mounting tabs and clips. Press the assembly snugly until clips engage. Hand start the two 10 mm nuts to clamp the assembly, then use the torque wrench to tighten to 5-7 ft-pounds to avoid cracking the plastic. Reconnect the electrical connector until you hear the tab click and visually confirm pins are straight. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, test brake, turn, reverse, and running lights. Verify seals and replace the interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.